The good old USA continues to be a capitalist juggernaut that is the envy of the world. We do this by spearheading the latest and greatest technology available to man. So what are the boys in the lab up to today? Why, they are researching the possibilities of 3D printing. With this technology of tomorrow, you will be able to manufacture nearly anything you can dream of without leaving the comfort of your office chair.
Golly, Professor, that sure sounds swell. But what is 3D printing?
Only when spoken to, Billy. 3D printing is a way to turn a computer-generated file into a physical object. Let me explain. Although there are various types of 3D printers, most consist of these general parts. A surface to print on, the printing platform shown here, a robotic arm or crossbar system, a printing head, and an extrusion nozzle. All of this usually contained in some larger frame or housing. Here we see one of our crack designers diligently modeling an object in a CAD program to be 3D printed. The file is exported as a file type that is read by the 3D printer, and from there, the print begins. Typically, material is fed into the print head, in this case a plastic filament, where it is then heated to the appropriate temperature to melt and flow. It is then extruded through the print nozzle in a uniform bead. To make the material build up into the desired object, the print head transverses along two assemblies that move back and forth along the X and Y axis, and then a separate assembly brings the print head closer or farther from the printing platform along the Z axis. In this manner, the print head zips around in three-dimensional space and builds the object layer by layer, from bottom to top. Now let's see this technology of the future in action. Here you can see a part beginning to be modeled. A child's integrated snap-fit building block. Look at it go!
Wow, Professor, it's like magic.
Don't be stupid, Billy. It's not magic, it's science! Yes, there's almost no limit to what's possible in the world of 3D printing! You could print household items, like a fly swatter, or a handgun, aerospace vehicle parts, prosthetic limbs. Why, you could even 3D print the unborn.
Ew, that's creepy.
That's the beauty of science.
It looks like a gargoyle.
As you can see, the possibilities are endless.
Could you 3D print me a new liver?
Of course.
What about designer shoes?
Why not? Can 3D printing revolutionize our economy? Not yours, comrade.
Hey, do you think we could 3D print a 3D printer?
Get a job, beatnik. And probably.
Neato, Professor. We could really do all that.
You're gonna have to stop saying that, Billy. Neato is not a word. Try something like excellent or fascinating. Here you can see just how easy it is to open a file of a CAD representation of the part. Make any desired changes to the part's features. And then, it's off to the 3D printer! Imagine the implications of reducing the time from concept to prototype to a matter of hours, or even minutes. And think of the convenience of being able to print replacement parts right in your own home. No more waiting for items to be shipped across vast distances. No more being extorted for specialized parts. And since this technology is rapidly improving in quality and material capabilities, there will not be much we can't produce right at home. Let's check on our building block. And it looks like we're done. Let's see how we did. Perfection.
Fascinating. Do you think I could use a 3D printer?
With a multitude of printable designs that can be downloaded right off the interwebs, no CAD training required, I'd say even you could do it, Billy. Anything is possible with today's Technology of Tomorrow!